So welcome back. Now, we saw that the SAP has a data error. Now it's about correcting the data error. Now, the best way to correct the data error is to use the correct data. All right, I know that sounds funny and kind of stupid, but it's really, why isn't it stupid here? Because we use adjusted prices, right? If you go to sources like Reuters, you get usually the price and you have to do the adjustments yourself. In Yahoo Finance, you get both adjusted price and the close and the price. I haven't done any research into it, whether I could figure out how they do the adjustments. I just assume for now I don't know. So I also don't want to write a research or investment paper out of it. I just want to do some teaching, yeah, so that you have something to do during the lockdown. In case you want to learn Python and finance. And what I'm therefore doing is I just do a quick fix, which I believe does not affect my results. It does not bias my results in any way. Okay, so I have seen here that for SAP, these abnormal returns are just not random. There's a deterministic problem in the Yahoo database, I believe. And I'm just going to swap these abnormal returns with the mean return. All right? I think that is not a bad thing to do. Let's just do it. Yeah, so my idea is I swap everything which is 10 plus standard deviations just for SAP, not for the other firms. I am suspicious for some of the other firms like Siemens, but not suspicious enough to act. All right. So I want to have, and I also provide you a plot. What does the Z-score time series for SAP look like before and after the swap? All right. So RD, that's a pandas data frame, so we can directly call the column SAP DE. Just give me a plot. All right, that will be the time series. Now we do the swap. So I leave this blank, so it's easier for you to follow. I say, give me SAP DE. Now I'm in the right column. And now I want that any standard deviation above or equal to 10 is swapped, meaning I can take the NumPy package. If the abs of my z-score, my z-score from the stats.z-score applied to RD, SAP DE, and I have a lot of parentheses here. Right, it's that one. If that thing is larger than 10, swap that data point. Swap it with SAPDE.mean. All right, and now I want to have a second plot. Yeah? RD SAPDE dot plot. So now we will see two plots of the time series of z-scores. Look at that. Here, orange and blue just coincide. That's why you don't see a difference. It's the same data. Yeah, these data points we now got rid of. These 1, 2, 3, 4 times 2, 8 data points, which I'm pretty certain are a data error. All right, so that's what we have. I think it's fun to look at the Z time series for SAP, now at the corrected version. Thanks for having done that. Stats.z-score. That's what I want. Does it do that? These are the realized returns, but I wanted to plot the z-scores. I don't think it does like that. Exactly, because that would not be a data frame, a pandas data frame anymore. Okay, so then we don't plot the z-scores. I think I promised the z-scores. Of course, now everything breaks loose. I have to rerun the entire notebook, which I don't. Okay, I think I stopped the video. I just rerun it and then